Hello and welcome back to the Amateur Cook. Today I'm going to be showing you how to pluck, wash, select and chop your leafy vegetables ready for soup or sauce. The vegetable I have here today is called green. That's what we call it in Nigeria. If you know another name for this vegetable, please let me know. It's not as fresh as it should be. I should have used this a lot earlier than today, but oh well. We are just going to select the ones that are still good, wash it, chop it, and make use of it. What I'm doing now is pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to try and explain though. I am detaching each individual leaf with its individual stalk from the main stalk, and I'm going stalk by stalk until I'm done. So I'm trying to make sure I get only the good leaves. All the damaged leaves, the ones that are going bad, I'll just stay away from them. When I'm doing kitchen work in general, I like to wear gloves because I found that they protect my hands from the wear and tear that comes along with cooking, washing plates, stuff like that. The gloves I used to cook are very different from the gloves I used to wash plates and clean. I most especially like to wear gloves when I'm handling leafy vegetables because I found that they leave a green tint under my fingernails and I just don't appreciate that. So I'm done plucking the leaves now. There are still some bad ones in there that I will take out later, but just in general, this is what it's looking like. The next step now would be to wash it. I try to wash it 4 times, at least 4 times with just water. Washing your leafy vegetables is very important, especially when you're buying vegetables from the market in Nigeria. This will take away all the sand and dirt. I'm just showing you the stalk that the leaves came from. But yeah, make sure to wash and wash at least 4 times. If you can wash for more than 4 times, please do. Make sure to get rid of all the sand because it's not nice to be eating your sauce or soup and be chewing sand. This is the most important step, washing your vegetables to get rid of sand, dirt and all of that. You can add vinegar, but I just like to use water. I like to use a big bowl as well. I'll make sure to fill it with water, have my vegetables in there, have a second bowl I'll use to take out my vegetables when I'm done washing. Now this is where you actually wash your vegetables. What I'm doing is self-explanatory, so just follow my steps. What I'm doing right now, you have to do it. You have to wash. I'm currently washing my vegetables, making sure sand is out of it. I'll then, when I feel like it's fine, I will take it, put it in the bowl, and once I've taken everything out, I'll pour this water away and then repeat the process. I'll do it at least 4 times just to be sure the sand is completely gone from the vegetables. Now my vegetables are clean. The next step is to go through it and then try to take out any bad one I might have missed in the plucking and washing process. I will just take out bad leaves and just make sure the leaves they are just good and safe to eat. Take a small portion of your leaves and chop. I was in a hurry and I was just trying to do things quickly and just leave the kitchen, hence why I'm just taking a huge portion. But ideally, the amount of leaves you take should be a lot less than this so that you can easily chop. Another advice I would give is make sure your knife is very sharp, because it was really frustrating chopping up these leaves because my knife wasn't as sharp as I had intended. I would also like to point out that smaller portions would enable you to chop easier, if that makes sense. A lot of people actually prefer chopping up their leafy vegetables in the market when they buy it. I I don't like doing that just because I would prefer coming home to wash my vegetables myself, just to be sure all the dirt, the sand, everything is completely out of my vegetables. Another thing too is the water. I don't know the type of water they are using to wash. People are very wicked. I saw a malam selling vegetables, like washing his vegetables with butter water, and I'm not about that life. I just want to be sure my vegetables are clean and the water that is being used to wash it is also clean. Don't worry about the huge chunks of leaves you can see. I would still go back and use my knife to chop it off. Note that this process of plucking, chopping, washing is the same. You can use it for ugu, spinach, water leaf. In fact, most of the leafy vegetables we use in Nigeria for soup. If you're wearing gloves, be very careful because your knife can easily go through your gloves. I think that happened to me actually when I was doing this. But yeah, so just watch me. You can see I have gone back and I've chopped and I've chopped and I've chopped, and all the leaves are looking very tiny now and small and nice. And also this is just the process and this is me done. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you learned something. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.